Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do mid-month reading for the month of October for the sign Leo, fire sign. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Leo. First card, Six of Pentacles. Second card, Ace of Wands. The Empress. The Star. Under the deck, King of Pentacles. I think you stand by your power in this connection, Leo. The Empress. I think for some ladies, for Leo, you could be pregnant also. The Empress is mother lady. Yeah, I think in past it is pretty good for some, definitely. For some there is no equal give and take. That's why you walked away and you stand by your power, but now your person want a new beginning with you. They're still hoping for this connection. For some it is good, there is equal give and take and you both are passionate about each other. For some there is no equal give and take. It could be vice versa depending upon your situation. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Leo. Queen of Cups, Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles. Separation, definitely there is separation. Four of Wands. Yeah, there is separation between both of you. Under the deck, Queen of Wands. You both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, you both feel sad for the separation. Five of Cups with Five of Pentacles. You both have strong emotions for each other, definitely, because Queen of Cups with Four of Wands. You both want the celebration with each other, but there is separation between both of you. You both feeling very sad. One person showing cold shouldering to other person, but one person feeling very very sad. You both sad, but one person is literally they are like this. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Leo. Queen of Pentacles. I think for some it could be third party, another lady is involved. Knight of Cups. The Hangman. Knight of Swords. Yeah, your person want to offer their cup of love to you. They want to share their happiness and everything with you now. Yeah, Knight of Cups. Definitely they have strong emotions for you. They want to offer their cup of love to you. Hangman. Yeah, they're spiritually awakening after the separation. They are stuck right now, but after sometime they will realize your worth and they will come towards you, but it is very slow moving energy. Knight of Cups, but it is stable offer. Knight of Swords. Definitely some communication. They may be spying on your social media. Definitely they will call you, they will message you. Yeah, they want to come towards you and they want to offer their cup of love to you. Yeah, they want to reconcile with you if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level, Leo. So but under the deck, Queen of Wands, you stand by your power, Leo, this time. So let's pull some cards from the universe for the connection, where it is headed. Yeah, maturity, Ace of Pentacles. Abundance, King of Pentacles. Flowering, Queen of Pentacles. You both strong couple, definitely. King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. You both want stability in this connection. And yeah, Two of Swords. Definitely you both are in some confusion, but you both are strong couple. You both want same thing in this connection. I already told you in you both are suffering from the separation. Yes, you both want stability in this connection. Queen of Pentacles with King of Pentacles. Maturity with Ace of Pentacles. Definitely you both want long-term commitment with each other. I think for some there is commitment issue or communication issues. You both have to express feelings clearly with each other. For some it could be third party situation. Definitely you both want same thing. Your person want to come towards you. Definitely Leo, because Knight of Cups, but it is slow energy. So it is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.